Hello everyone, today I'm showing you how to make a thumbnail on YouTube. So what you're going to need for this is just really Google Photos or whatever photos you use, and this app called CapCut. It's on screen right now. I'm going to go into it. Can you go profiles on this? Cool. So you're going to press new project. You're going to make sure you're on photos, okay? Wait, mistake. Now we're gonna go to, so you're gonna need screenshots of what you want, or pictures. So we have two here, this one and this one. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna add this. Now this is our thing. So it looks like a video, but don't worry guys, it's fine. Anyway. So what we're going to be doing is we're first going to press edit at bottom left. Now we're going to go to, there's another edit button right at bottom left. We're going to tap that. Now we're going to press crop. We want to make this, we don't want the barbarians here or my collections or that have something in my clan. We just want this part, actually I'm going to make that slightly bigger. Oh my god, this phone. Not, who cares? You have to be really good at tapping stuff. Reset. Okay. Perfect. Now we are going to press tick. Now we're going to rotate. Well, we're going to rotate this back. Now we're going to pinch our phone. This can change the size and you can rotate it. So we want it just like a bit out. Perfect. This is what we're going to be working with. So now we're going to go out of this menu. We're going to go out of here again. We're going to press text at the bottom of the screen. We're going to add text. We're going to write subscribe. That button is usually... Okay, now we can press the button at the bottom right to change the size and do this. So we're gonna make it kind of like going the other way. I'm gonna put it all the way over here. Yeah, I like that. So we have subscribed there. You guys all gotta do it. Now we're gonna go here. We're gonna do stickers. What sticker do we want? Is there anything to do with YouTube here? I thought I saw one. Oh, the phones works. Okay, I thought these would be good ones. Never mind, let's just use some good old emojis. What's that one? Okay, never mind. So let's use some good old emojis and do the cool emoji. Same things here. So we're gonna just do the emoji here. Sorry for sneezing on video. So now we have this. Now we can draw something here. So let's draw a box. A box. No. Erase it all. Okay, let's make the size really small. And let's try that again. Okay, go like that. Up a bit and there we go. Amazing square by me. Actually, I only just figured out that feature. So now we're gonna, is there anything else we want? No. Now we're gonna go to, is there anything else we need? Overlay. We're gonna add an overlay. Now I've done this earlier, but I'm gonna show you again. So we want the barbarian, well, I'll just show you the emoji we want. We want this. So what we're gonna do to get that is actually we're gonna leave this app. We're gonna go into photos. I'm gonna go into my personalized screenshot menu. I'm gonna go here. That was a misclick. Edit. We're gonna crop this. We're gonna make this like I'm gonna wait for this to auto zoom in. Nice feature I got. Okay, here's perfect picture of this barbarian emoji. Perfect. Now we have this emoji. Now we can go back to CapCut. Now we're gonna have to actually go out and go back. Okay, perfect. Now we have this. Now we can add this as an overlay. And who really cares about the arrows? We got barbarians. See, perfect. Now we can, what do we want? Is there anything else we want to do? Let's have a look. Anything in edit we need to do? I think we are good to go. Oh, and remember, don't press overlay here because I'm not sure what this does. No, this clip this button we don't need. You need to go out and go to the main bit. So now we have this bit. Is there a way to wait? I'm gonna actually try cropping this or something. Actually, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna press the button on the right, on the middle, like see where the pause button is. Yeah, on the right, on the middle, on the same row as pause button, we're gonna press that. It's gonna zoom in for us. No. Actually, no. Sorry. There's like, I'm still not a pro, okay? My Photoshop isn't that good. We're actually gonna crop this again. Can we make this any wider? So unfortunately, this game is kind of, phone goes upwards instead of to the side, so it's going to be a bit of a worse thumbnail. So now we have this anyway. We are done. So we're going to take a screenshot of this. I'm going to go into Google Photos. Refresh. There we go. Screenshots. Edit this. Crop this. We're not going to crop it too hard. Just like this much of a crop. Maybe actually a bit bigger. Perfect. I'm going to press tick. Now we're going to go over to YouTube. Wow. Now. Oh yeah, and if you're doing this for a non-mobile app, I'll also show you a little thing on how to do it. Wait, I just went all the way to my channel for no reason. I'm crazy. We're going to go to upload button. Here. Press next. So now at top left of your screen, you're going to see this button. Yeah, you got to press it. And now it's going to be sent here. Where we have this. We're going to make it like that. Perfect thumbnail. And then I just ruined it. Perfect thumbnail. Now you write everything else. And there's one more bit before this video ends. We're going to go back because we're not actually making this as a video. Wait, that was my failed video from earlier. Huh. No, this is the bit I forgot to mention. So say you make something like Rumbleverse or Fortnite. I make it on my PlayStation. How do I make a thumbnail for it? You're going to go press videos at the top. You're going to click the 3 dots on it. So we're going to say Rumbleverse. You're going to press edit. now we're gonna press the same button as we did earlier, and it has tree selected for me from the game. Actually, that's pretty cool. Then you press custom thumbnail and it will send you right where we were seconds ago on the video. So that's how you actually do it on PS5 and stuff, like PS5, Switch, Xbox, PC or something. That's what we gotta do. So hope you enjoyed today's video. Hope it was like very useful. Until next time, bye.